Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the issue where system restore points get deleted or go missing in Windows 10, then either read to this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you to the resolutions. First of all, we need to understand that the most probable cause of the issue in discussion is that the space needed for system restore points has been exceeded. This could be changed as follows. Click on the Start button, select Settings, go to System, scroll down to the About tab. On the right hand side, you'll find an option which says System Protection. In the System Protection tab, you'll find an option which says Configure. Click on it. And here you see the maximum usage size for the system restore points. This is usually set at 2% by default, but I can increase it to 3 or 4%, and 11 GB is quite a lot of space. I'll click on Apply and then on OK. This should solve the problem in, I would say, more than 90% cases, but if it does not, let us check the other reasons. First of all, system restore should definitely be on. Then your computer disk should have sufficient space because you are increasing space in the system protection window. But does your system anyway have space? The third reason could be that if you upgrade your Windows to a newer version like Windows 8.1 to Windows 10, then the older system restore points may get deleted. And even more, a few users tried disk cleanup to delete the restore points, and it does not delete the last restore point usually, but that can be deleted manually. So did you do that? You can check through all of these points on this article on the Windows Club. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.